Alright. It's a really nice day today. Pretty cold. I think it's about 42 degrees today. A little bit of, I wouldn't call it hail. Somewhat like slushy ice fell for about 15 minutes, maybe an hour ago. Today I got I don't know if you can see the smoke coming. It's still getting hot. Have the tent heater going. I haven't looked at this in a while. She's running on diesel. You can hear that thing click because it's cooling off as I open that thing up. It is very nice and warm in here, despite the door being open. And what I did was I took a flapper wheel on my grinder and I ground all the mill scale off of the brackets and chamfered the edge, which means just to round the edge all the way around, make them look nice. I just finished priming them, and here are the tools I found at the thrift shop. The top one is a double opened end wrench, 3/4 7/8. I don't know if we can get in without going out of focus, but it's a V series, and I think those are 70s. The next one is an 11/16 combo wrench. And then I found this rarity. Who remembers those? Sears brand. Still forged wrench, and it's a 5/8. I even remember when Sears branched off from, made their less expensive line of Craftsman wrenches. And what you can see is along the edge of the wrench, it's nice and clean. But on the Craftsman, there's a ridge. So the manufacturing process wasn't as precise, but the wrenches are still just as nice. I like it. Then I found another 9/16 and another 7/16, and something that I haven't had in a long time were double box end wrenches that are long. Again, this is a Craftsman. It's 9/16 at that end and 5/8 at this end. And then I found another one is a Thorson, and it's 9/16 and 1/2 inch. So each one of these wrenches, I think these 5 were like $1.99, and then these 2 bigger wrenches were like $2.79. And I don't know what we'd pay on eBay, but I do know I didn't pay shipping. So gonna wrap this little video up and work on shortening the battery cables from the battery to the starter. So thanks for watching. Later. Alright guys, I had to stop for a moment. The temperature dropped pretty significantly over the past few moments, and instead of rain, we got a little bit of hail. And what I'm doing here is fitting these plastic battery terminal protectors to the battery clamps. like that. Now there is a cover that goes over these things, over the top of the battery, but I just want to make sure, you know, that the battery terminals nothing touches the battery terminals. And I don't know if I can, yeah, there's no way I can set this up. Yeah, there is. Do that. I bought these things, God, I don't know, 20 years ago, and they've been in my toolbox forever. So I'm just gonna take my snips, cut the top off. Right about there. So it looks like that. Yeah. Need to cut a little bit more away. Alright. Yep, I like that. Alright. Camera over here. Oh, wait. Positive first before ground. Otherwise, you get sparks. Yeah, and something else. Oh. There's this dielectric grease. It just helps keeps things from rusting. I usually just squeeze out about that much. And then coat everything. Here's a neat trick I learned a long time ago. If you go out to your battery on your daily driver car and you see all that white powder, just go fill a glass of hot water and pour it on the battery terminal, and all that stuff will disappear. And then I can put some on this end of the battery cable. A little difficult to see, but yeah, there we go. You got a washer and a lock washer on top, and then the nut. Got to wipe the grease off of my fingers here. So then what you can do also, after you've poured hot water on your battery terminal, you'll see all that powder disappear. You can mix up some baking soda and a solution of water, shake it up and pour it on top too, and that'll prevent any corrosion on your car anywhere around the battery. Alright, so that one's snug. And Let's see if I can turn this around to do the positive side, or sorry, negative side. Might not be able to see it. Yeah, a little bit. Man, it's chilly today. It's nice. And the air feels so clean in my lungs. Yeah, Southern California is pretty nice. And I miss the scenery down there and my friends. But I don't miss the nasty air, smog. Or the heat. That's one thing I don't miss, is the heat. Oh man, perfect. It's gonna be fun. All right. Okay. Guess I didn't have the terminal tightened enough. Things are tight just enough now. All right. Move the camera. Let's get the positive side on. That's good. So I know the battery cover is going to clear the battery posts here. Just didn't want anything else touching around the battery terminal. So that looks good. Our power is hot. Oh, I gotta, oh yeah. Gotta go around the other side. Okay, I've flipped the kill switch. Good. I may run it, but you guys have seen this start up many times, so I'm not going to bore you with that. Anyway, battery cables are shorter. I resoldered this end here. It really wasn't soldered well. And then this end over here, when I cut it down, put a new solder joint in there. So yeah, I'm liking that. All right, thanks for watching.